So in this video, we'll be talking about another kind of operator in PHP, which is the comparison operators. Now, as the name implies, this operator is used to compare values. Now, let us talk about examples of comparison operators in PHP. There are about 6 comparison operators in PHP. The first of which is the equal to. This is used to check if two values are the same. It can even be used to check if two or more values are the same. Now the next is not equal to. As you can see from the screen, it is a combination of the exclamation symbol and the equal to. This is used to check if two values are not the same. It can also be used to check if more values are not the same. The third is less than. And just like the name implies, it's used to check if one value has a lower value to the other one. This is used to check mostly numbers. So for example, if the number 3 is less than the number 10, which of course, yes, it is. You can also check if the number 10 is less than 3, which will be false in that case. Now the next is the greater than. This is used to check if one value is higher than the other. Next is the less than or equal to. Now this is much more interesting because this operator actually checks if a value is lower or is the same with another value. Its counterpart is the next, which is the greater than or equal to, which is used to check if one value is more than or the same with another value. So these are the 6 comparison operators we use in PHP. But sad to say, we can't practice how to use them now until we get to conditionals like the if statement. So watch out for coming tutorials when we will make practical use of comparison operators. Now we are switching over to the next operator, which is, let's find out.